All right, so let's take a look at knowledge check 18.4.1. Do this, we're going to go ahead and use some packages from Tidyverse and then also the complete journey data. So in all three of these, the question gets to filtering all transactions within a certain department. So if we look at products, we see we had different departments here: grocery, miscellaneous, pastry, and so on. So what we actually want to do is we want to get transactions that align to a particular department and then do some plotting after that. So let's go ahead. This is going to require us to do some joins beforehand. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to take my transaction sample and I want to do an inner join with the products data. And I'm going to just save this as transactions because we're going to reuse this multiple times. Okay, so the next step is to filter for all transactions in the produce department. So we could go ahead and we could take our new transactions data, and I want to filter where the department equals produce. There we go. So now we have a little over 7,000 transactions that all align. Let's see if we go over here to the produce department. Okay, from there it said, once we've done that filtering, go ahead and plot the quantity on the x-axis and the sales value on the y-axis. So let's go ahead and we're going to pipe this right into ggplot. And we want to have quantity on the x-axis, sales value on the y. Now, one thing you will notice is you could go back within AES and do x equals and y equals sales value. You will notice as you get going, in most examples you find online, typically exclude the x and the y. And then we can go ahead and we're going to do a geom point, make a scatter plot. And there is our output. All right, number 2 here, filter for all transactions in the meat department and then plot the quantity on the x-axis and sales value on the y-axis. So we're doing the same thing. The only difference here is we want to change which department we are getting transactions from. So if I change the department to the meat department, now we can see we have our output. And then the last one is the field department. And if we go ahead and change this to field, there we get a plot of all our quantity versus sales value.